All right, so here's how the pavement is looking. It's, not one giant piece. I did, separate it so that's kind of like those large squares of the pavement. So that's what that's looking like. Just came back from the store. I got some of this color, I guess, stone walkway, whatever it's supposed to be. Here is the color of the pavers. Here is the color I got. I thought it was actually different. I did not have it in hand, but anyway, the idea was that this was going to be landscaping pavers. So I don't yet know where, if anything, I want to put a little walkway. If I do, maybe I'll just paint a walkway. That might be easier. But I did decide to lay this around the base of the house, kind of like, when you have a concrete base house, how you have a little concrete area around. We have that with the house. I wanted to cover that in stone, DK. So still waiting for it to cure. I have to find something to weigh it down. But that's there. I have this piece I'm gonna cut once the rest of this is cured to lay here, so that we have stone all around, and then we're just on grass or ground. So let's give you a tour of it around. Do have some overlap. I did use wood glue. I don't think the wood glue is appropriate. I'm probably gonna have to go back with Elmer's glue maybe, which I do have. I thought the wood glue would make more sense because this is wood, but this obviously is not wood. So, and I think I'm just gonna leave this bare, these corners right here, because that's where the HVAC is. Maybe I put some grass. Maybe I'll paint it green. I don't know. I'm not really pressed about that. But yeah, that's what that's looking like now. So yeah. And then still not dried and cured. Here's what that's looking like overall. So it really is just like house outside of house. So the what do you call this? The majority of the pavers around the house are done. The front steps, I have the piece, I cut it out to wrap around. We're gonna put it in. Here's a piece, I'm just gonna glue it down and let it dry, and that's how it'll look. Yeah, boy.